Good morning, so today we've come out to another frozen car. Let's show you how to de-ice it. So from inside the car, key in ignition, turn it a couple of times, let it do its warm up sequence. Like that, and now we want to make sure that we block the DPF, so we're going to turn the engine on, like you would. Then come down here, put all your air, so aircon, air recirculator, turn the fan on hot, put it onto the windscreen, push the rear demister, heated seat, heated steering wheel, heated seat on the driver's side, got to listen to in-demand radio. But if you haven't got time for any of that, then warm water all over the window gets the job done really quickly. As you notice, we've got hail stones there. All the windows, clean it up. It's got to be warm water.